What's good, YouTube? This your boy, Ghost Fighter, 2T's, and we're here today with YouTuber Curly Head Aaliyah, my daughter, and we're gonna be doing an unboxing. She spent some of her money from the what you won. Remember when you won the giveaway, the $100? So we're gonna be doing an unboxing of something she decided to buy today, which you guys already know because you seen the thumbnail. You seen the thumbnail and you seen what the title of it is. So y'all make sure y'all go subscribe right here. Yeah. And make sure that y'all go sub to my daughter right here. Yeah. And we're gonna get right on into this unboxing. Anything you want to tell them while we're doing this unboxing? We're freestyling it. You just ready to do it? All right, let's get into it. So it was ordered from Amazon, right? You see they got the Amazon logo. Go ahead, you get into it. Oh man, this thing's looking nice. So they're called what?
LED light strips.
Yeah, Chareada. Did you not want to say the word because you didn't want to get it wrong? That's a part of, hey man, that's a part of YouTube. That's a part of growing. That's a part of whatever. People probably be cutting their videos up all the time. But look, so the Chareada, these are Wi-Fi LED strip lights. So you can see right here, what does it have? It has the 32 foot of length. It has waterproof. It has music activated. What? So let me use that brain ticker. So if you're playing music, it'll post to the music. That's dope. And then of course it got the app support. So you can hook your iPhone or your Android to it and
you can download an app.
It says how to connect Wi-Fi LED strip lights. It says download the Magic Home Pro app by scanning the QR code. So if you got a phone, you can just scan the code and it'll go directly there for people who may not be as, savvy with tech. And it gives all the directions. So yeah, go ahead and open it up. Let's see what all it comes with. Got me excited. I need to get me some LEDs for my room now.
Okay.
So what we see first? What do
it's a card. It's called a Magic Home. You download it and you can control it by your
So that
phone.
must be the barcode that's on the back anyway.
Yeah.
So even if you didn't have that card, so it comes with this.
It comes with the controller.
Okay, so let's see if we can open that up. Because if you guys buy this, we're gonna have we done already said it came from Amazon, so you're gonna know it's from Amazon. And then you pull this tab, and that means that it's ready to use. And then, okay, we got the connector, which I'm pretty sure this connector, we got the directions probably in there somewhere, but these connectors go to the other part of it. So what else we got?
That's
Screws. I'm feeling as though this is not enough screws. So as much as my daughter wants this up tonight, I'm not sure if it's gonna be able with those couple screws. Of course, it's the power cord. So that's what's gonna go into the wall, and then it's gonna, already see what's going on here. The real understanding. It don't take much for me to understand. And then it comes with this. This connects to this. And then, you hook it all up. And then let's see what these beautiful lights look like.
Oh my gosh, I can't even open it. I can't even open it.
My arm, I hurt my arm, man. All right, so there you have it. There's the connector ends. I'm pretty sure that's what goes on to this. And they're gonna connect here. And then they probably gonna connect onto this. And then these are gonna connect into that. They're gonna all connect. You have a male and female. I'm guessing that's what they're called, male and female. And I'm guessing this is female. And that's a male. Yeah. All right, so with that, I'm just saying, so but see, that's what the LED strips look like. And they have sticky stuff. So that's why you may not need the screws. Maybe the screws are more so for the screw into the wall, the wire.
You peel it off and then you put it up there, and then you just have to connect all this stuff.
Okay, so there you go. There's the wire, and it comes with 30 foot, total 30 foot, I think. So this should be enough to get around that room. Once we have them put up in the room, we will come out with another video beyond the unboxing. I guess maybe a full review that'll, I guess, have the unboxing and then us just showing maybe what the lights do. So, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I mean, there's the LEDs. Here's all the connectors. Now, there's one thing I didn't see. Now, you see the type of brand they come with. They didn't come with any directions, unless it's something that I missed. Yeah. So they just assume that you're supposed to know what you're doing. You know, I guess. I don't know. But everything I ever seen, there's always people who are not as savvy at tech as others. And that's why, you know, you need to have directions in there. So if you guys are watching this video, the people who made this, you guys did a good job, but you probably should have directions right on the top of that packaging when you open up for people to be able to put the connector together. I know it's probably self-explanatory, but people still want to understand and know what they need to do. I'm pretty sure it's not that hard to figure out. But this goes out to Tees and Curly Hair Leah, and we just want to make sure that you guys are enjoying these videos. We're putting our hard work and effort into it. Make sure you guys go support my daughter. Make sure you come support me. Make sure you leave a like, leave a comment, man. We out here grinding, man. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, right, Leah? Go side to Tees and Leah, and we're out. What's good, YouTube? This your boy, Ghostwriter 2 Tees, and I'm back with Curly Hair Leah, and we're here to finish up this video, guys. So we did the unboxing, and we didn't want to finish the unboxing without showing you guys the finished product. You can see it is super, super lit in here, bro. And it's all around the room. I've been remodeling their room. You see they got dresser there, new dresser there. They got a vanity there. And then they got their new, end tables. And then they got LEDs, strips and then they have a setup behind the bed, which is a whole bunch of extra plugs for them to put their stuff in. And then I did them, you know, they wanted the black curtains. So yeah, and it don't show justice on the video because this room is a lot bigger than what is showing on the camera right now. It looks like we're right by the door. We're definitely not right by the door. But Leah has it in her hand. Okay, she has it in her hand. So, okay, try a few settings and we'll look on camera to watch what it does.
Right, here's
Tell
flash.
me what you're doing.
I'm doing flash.
Okay, so she's doing flash. Woo! Oh my goodness, that is lit, lit, lit.
It's like a party.
Woo, that is tough. Okay, now tell me what color you're gonna go to.
I'm gonna go pink.
Okay, so she's going to pink. Wow, man, this thing is cold, isn't it? Now dim it, Leah. Show them how you can dim it.
You can dim it or make it brighter.
Dang, that's cold. Now, and then there's a setting on the phone. I'm using the phone to record right now, so I can't show you guys. But if you download the app that they're talking about, it goes even to a more in-depth review of like little things that you can swirl and make any color you want to. Over 1 million colors, right, Liz?
Yes.
Over 1 million colors you can use with the phone app. So once you download the app, you'll be. I'm getting these for my room. For when I do my videos, y'all will be seeing this in the coming month. It's an investment. You will be seeing the LED lights around my room. Look at that green. Oh man, that is tough. That's some of my daughter's trophies for doing cheerleading. My oldest. She got 1 more year of school. Yeah, look at that. Wow, what color is that one?
It's yellow. It's bright yellow.
That colors is lit, lit, lit. Yup. So you guys get the full understanding of the video and how the lights work. They're pretty self-explanatory. They hook up really easy. Male and female, they go right together. And yeah, what you doing down there, Livy? All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this informative video. You guys make sure right here, and make sure you subscribe to that big head bucket right there. Make sure y'all subscribe to my daughter, Curly Hair Leah, and I'll have links to her description on my channel, and I guess she'll do the same thing for mine. For those that are here for Curly Hair Leah's channel, you can go down in the comment section right here, right there, and click on my channel. I'll have links to it in her bio and then down in her comment section. This might be one of her few videos that she did upload. I hope that she approves of it. All right, this goes out of 2 T's, guys, and Aaliyah, and we're